In this video, we'll show you the Ford Mobile Service Kit, the AGA Tools Clean Oil Service Kit, designed to interact with the already existing Ford van and is making oil changes faster, cleaner, and eliminates the chance of spilling oil. The kit comes with a hose. Before you order your kit, make sure to determine what style fitting you have. There's two types. One measure 1 inch to the groove and one measure 3/4 inch to the groove. Make sure you measure and order the correct one for your type of van. Once at the AGA Tools website, select the Clean Oil series, go down to Ford Mobile Service Kit. Now you have to determine if you need the 3/4 inch or the 1 inch fitting. Once you know that and have measured it on the van, go down and choose the style that you need. Now you can place the order by putting it in the cart or calling AGA Tools to order. This fitting simply connects to the existing hose in the truck, and you use the truck's existing evacuation system and pump that you can turn on here. Now the supply tool connects to the hose right here, and you are ready to connect to one of the clean oil drain plugs. In addition, there is a sight glass right here, so that once you're under the vehicle and sucking out the oil, you can see once the oil is done and the sight glass becomes clear. If you want to use the AGA Tools booster pump, all you have to do is replace this fitting with this fitting. Now it plugs right into the pump. This pump is powered by a M18 Milwaukee battery and has an on-off switch right on it. This will allow for a much faster evacuation of the oil, since the extraction of the oil is boosted back to the van. Here you can see what is included in the kit. I will go over with you quickly how to incorporate this kit into the van. We're going to set up the vacuum. This is a 2.5 gallon M18 Milwaukee fuel vacuum. Our remote system only works with this vacuum, so make sure you look at the model number right on the webpage before you order it. To set it up for remote, we're taking the included vacuum remote that comes with the kit. Very, very simple. You click this adapter into the space where the battery normally goes, like that. Here we made a little notch just for the wires to run through. Makes it a little bit nicer for the application and also doesn't interfere with closing the lid. Take the instructions that it comes with and put it in here. Take one of the spare remotes. It comes with two. I like to keep it inside the vacuum right here, so I made a tiny little hole so it can live right here without getting lost. The battery can now be removed and replaced as normal into the vacuum. There is already a spot on the pump for the vacuum to live. Now you can turn on the vacuum cleaner remotely from the remote. This concludes the install video. To see how to do an oil change, watch the AGA Tools Clean Oil Change video.